Page 45, this is number 4 at the bottom. Now this is just like number 3, except we're in minor. Doesn't matter. It's the same procedure. If you understand the chords and you understand what notes are in the key, you just go through it. It's no big deal. It's here, here. Remember the sequence? And then you transpose this to B natural minor and G natural minor. Natural minor, this is where we get off. I like the sound of harmonic minor better. Let's say, this is an A minor as it's written now. A minor. Come up. Natural minor. I like harmonic minor. I think it sounds cooler. Most of the time, if I can, I use harmonic minor because I like the sound of it. However, not everybody does, and some people prefer natural. Some people don't care. I don't know. If the book doesn't say what minor to use, I'm going to take whatever I want. Here, we don't have a choice. They're saying natural minor. Keep it within the key. Don't raise the 7th step. It's like measure, where's the third measure? The 7th chord here. We're in the key of A minor. A 7th chord is built on step 7, which is 1 less than 8. It's here. Would be here. First inversion is here. Natural minor. If I did harmonic minor, it would be here. We'd do that way. But they're saying use natural minor. So we're not using the raised 7th, we're using the regular 7th. And you're going through the same thing we did before on number 3, except we're using minor keys. As I said, it's very similar to number 3, except it's an A minor. The chord sequence, it's going to be pretty much the same, I think. It's here. Let's make sure we understand these chords because they're going to want you to transpose this. So let's make sure we understand these chords here. Underneath the staff, they give you the numbers. Okay. A minor, a 1 chord is there, but it has the little 6. That means first inversion. So instead of here, we're here. And if you look at it, both hands, first inversion. Okay. Measure 2, it's a 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's here. And there are no little numbers, so it's root position. So far, so good? Okay. Third measure, it is a 7 chord with a little 6. Well, a 7 chord is 1 less than 8. And natural minor would be, if we did a harmonic minor, would be doing that. But we're doing natural minor, so it's here. But it has a 6, so it's first inversion. So we're here. Okay. Going on, then we have a 3 chord. 1, 2, 3. And that's root position. Measure 5 is a 6 chord with a little 6 after it. Well, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With a 6 is first inversion. I'm going to come down here. So that's it. And then we have a 2 chord with a little diminished, circles diminished. The diminished takes care of itself. Don't worry about that. Just get a 2 chord. And that's here. Remember, when forming chords, you got to use the notes in the key, and it's every other note. So it's here. It's there. That's why there's no black keys involved. And if you'll notice, that is a minor third and a minor third. It is a diminished triad. Yay, we're here. And it's no inversion, it's root. Okay. Then a 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, we're natural minor. If we were using harmonic minor, we would do that. We would raise the 7. But natural minor here. And they want 6th position, or 6th position. There I go again, get confused, I told you. First inversion, so we're up here. Come down here. And then 1 chord again. That's for the chords. And then they want you to transpose these to these other keys. We'll just do the same thing. And good luck with this. So if we go to B natural minor, Well, first of all, you need to know what the notes are in B minor. B minor is relative to D major because it's a minor third down. You take the major and go minor third down, you get it, or go minor third up and you get the major. D major is 2 sharps, therefore B minor has 2 sharps, a C and an F. And we're using natural minor, not harmonic minor. I like harmonic minor. Okay, fine, natural minor. And those are the notes we're going to have to use. We're going to build chords on those notes. Fine. Start with the 1 chord here. Just it's a 1 chord, but it's in first inversion, so you got to go here. All right. We got one measure down. Now, the second measure is a 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Root position. It's all white keys because we only use C sharps and F sharps. Those are the only black keys we're going to use. The third measure is a 7 chord with a little 6 after it. Well, 7 is 1 less than 8. I don't want to count up 7. Good grief. Go down 1. And natural minor will be this, not that. Natural minor. That's harmonic minor. That's natural minor. And we build a chord on that. Remember, there's a C sharp in that. Happens to be a major triad. That's fine. But they want first inversion. So we come up here. There. Okay? I hold them down because I want to hear the harmony. That's basically what you do. But I do this way. You do whatever you want. I don't care. I can't hear you. Here. And then the 3 chord. 1, 2, 3. Again, there's an F sharp. That's root position. And then measure 5 is a 6 chord. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're here. And the 6th chord is in 6th position. First inversion. There's a 6 after. So it's here. Come down here. And then the 2 chord was here and is here. And again, it's diminished. A minor third, a minor third. Root position. And then the 5 chord in first inversion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. And first inversion is here. I come down here. And then root. That's basically what it is. I'm not sure I have enough beer for all of this, but I'll work on it. Then they want you to do G natural minor. Same difference. You need to know what the notes are in G minor. Well, G minor is relative to a minor third up. 1, 2, 3, a minor third. So that would be B flat. B flat has 2 flats. Therefore, G minor has 2 flats. A B and an E. And we're using natural minor. Otherwise, we would be using F sharps for harmonic. I like harmonic better, but that's all right. Natural minor, we can do that. So we do this whole mess again in G minor. So 1 chord here, but first inversion. And then a 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the E flat, it's in the key. Then a 7 chord, well, it's 1 less than that, so it'll be here, and that natural was here, not F sharp, okay. Here, first inversion. And then a 3 chord. I forgot what key I'm in already. G minor. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then a 6 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first inversion. Come down here. And then a 2 chord. Here. And that's a minor third and a minor third. See, it's diminished. The diminished takes care of itself. And then a 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First inversion is here. Come down here. And then a 1 chord. And that's basically transposing these. I try to keep a clear head and it's not too bad, but sometimes I get so wrapped up, see what key am I in, and I forget which chord I'm on and which inversion it wants, and it's like, it can be very confusing. So if you're really struggling with it, stick with what's written in the music, the notes in the first one, and make sure you understand those chords. Make sure you understand why this is a one chord in first inversion. A one chord in first inversion. Make sure you understand that thoroughly. Then you're in a position to transpose it, more or less. And in a few years of practice, it comes. Yeah, no problem. If you have questions, ask your teacher.